Welcome to Norway. Norway is calling. This beautiful Scandinavian country is known for its stunning natural landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and high quality of life. From the moment you arrive, you'll be captivated by its charm and beauty. Imagine breathtaking fjords, charming villages, and the thrill of the northern lights. These natural wonders are just the beginning of what Norway has to offer. Whether you're an adventurer seeking outdoor activities or someone who enjoys peaceful scenic views, Norway has something for everyone. Many dream of experiencing Norway's magic. The country's unique blend of modernity and tradition creates an enchanting atmosphere that attracts visitors from all over the world. From the bustling cities to the tranquil countryside, there's always something new to discover. Some even wish to work in this beautiful country. Norway's strong economy and progressive work culture make it an attractive destination for professionals. Imagine working in an environment where innovation and work-life balance are highly valued. We've created this guide just for you. Whether you're planning a short visit or considering a long-term move, this guide will provide you with all the information you need to make your journey smooth and enjoyable. This guide will help you navigate the work visa application process. Understanding the requirements and steps involved can be daunting, but we're here to simplify it for you. From gathering necessary documents to submitting your application, we've got you covered. We'll provide a step-by-step roadmap. Each stage of the process will be clearly explained, ensuring that you know exactly what to do and when to do it. Our goal is to make the application process as straightforward as possible. Get ready for an exciting journey towards working and living in Norway. Packing your bags and preparing for a new adventure can be both thrilling and overwhelming, but with our guide, you'll feel confident and well prepared every step of the way. Norway welcomes skilled individuals from around the globe. The country's inclusive and diverse work environment fosters creativity and collaboration. You'll have the opportunity to work with talented professionals from various backgrounds. It recognizes the value they bring. Norway's commitment to innovation and excellence means that your skills and expertise will be highly appreciated. You'll be part of a community that values your contributions and supports your professional growth. Are you ready to contribute your talents? The journey to working in Norway is filled with opportunities for personal and professional development. Embrace the challenge and get ready to make a meaningful impact. This guide will equip you with the information you need. From understanding visa types to knowing your rights as a worker, you'll find everything you need to know right here. Our comprehensive guide ensures that you're well informed and prepared. We'll help you turn your dream of working in Norway into reality. Let's get started. With determination and the right guidance, your dream of living and working in Norway is within reach. So let's embark on this exciting journey together and make it happen. Norway offers different types of work visas, each tailored to meet the needs of various professionals and their unique circumstances. Each visa caters to specific situations and professions, ensuring that the right talent is matched with the right opportunities. Among these, the most common type for skilled professionals is the skilled worker visa, which is highly sought after by many. This visa is your ticket to working in Norway, opening doors to a world of professional and personal growth. It allows you to live and work in Norway for the duration of your employment contract, providing stability and a chance to immerse yourself in Norwegian culture. This visa is specifically designed for individuals with a concrete job offer from a Norwegian employer, ensuring that you have a clear path to employment. It requires a certain skill set, often specialized, that is recognized and valued in the Norwegian job market. These skills should be in demand in Norway, particularly in sectors such as IT, healthcare, engineering, and other specialized fields. This visa ensures that Norway welcomes qualified professionals from around the world, fostering a diverse and dynamic workforce. It aims to fill gaps in the labor market with global talent, addressing shortages and driving innovation and growth in various industries. Beyond work, the skilled worker visa also offers an opportunity to experience the rich cultural heritage and natural beauty of Norway, making it a holistic experience for professionals and their families. With this visa, you can bring your family along, ensuring that your loved ones can also enjoy the benefits of living in Norway. Networking opportunities, professional development, and community engagement are all part of the experience, helping you to build a fulfilling life in Norway. The skilled worker visa is more than just a work permit. It's a gateway to new opportunities, personal growth, and a brighter future in one of the world's most progressive countries. Before you begin your application, it's crucial to ensure you meet the necessary requirements. This step is fundamental to avoid any delays or rejections in your visa process. The skilled worker visa has specific criteria that must be met to qualify. Understanding these criteria thoroughly can save you time and effort. Firstly, you must secure a job offer from a Norwegian employer. This job offer is a cornerstone of your application and demonstrates that you have a position waiting for you in Norway. This employer must sponsor your visa application. The sponsorship indicates that the employer is willing to take responsibility for you during your stay. Secondly, you need to possess a valid passport. This document is your primary identification and is essential for international travel. Your passport should be valid for at least 3 months beyond your intended stay in Norway. This ensures that you have sufficient time to manage any unforeseen circumstances. Thirdly, you must meet specific qualifications and experience criteria. These qualifications prove that you are capable and skilled in your profession. These criteria vary depending on your profession. For instance, healthcare workers might need different certifications compared to engineers. Research and understand the requirements for your specific field. This research will help you gather all necessary documents and qualifications. Make sure you meet them before applying. Being well prepared increases your chances of a successful application and a smooth transition to your new job in Norway. Finding a job in Norway may seem daunting, but it's entirely achievable. Start your job hunt online. Explore job portals and company websites. Network with professionals in your field. Consider reaching out to recruitment agencies specializing in placing foreign workers in Norway. When applying for jobs, tailor your resume and cover letter to Norwegian standards. Highlight your skills and experiences relevant to the Norwegian job market. Be prepared for interviews which may be conducted remotely. Section 5. Gathering your paperwork. Essential documents for your application. Once you have a job offer, it's time to gather the necessary documents. These documents are crucial for a successful visa application. Start with the essentials: a valid passport, your job offer letter, and your employment contract. You'll also need proof of accommodation in Norway. This could be a lease agreement or a letter of invitation from your host. Educational and professional qualifications are essential, include diplomas, transcripts, and professional certificates. Section 6. Making your application. Online or in person, the choice is yours. Norway offers 2 ways to submit your visa application, online or in person. The online application process is generally more convenient. You can create an account on the Norwegian Directorate of Immigration (UDI) website. Fill out the application form and upload the required documents. Alternatively, you can submit your application in person at a Norwegian embassy or consulate in your home country. Choose the method that best suits your circumstances. Ensure all information provided is accurate and complete. Section 7. The visa fee, your investment in a Norwegian adventure. When you submit your visa application, you'll need to pay a non-refundable application fee. The fee amount is subject to change. It's best to confirm the current fee on the UDI website or with the Norwegian embassy or consulate. Keep the payment receipt safe. It serves as proof of payment. This receipt may be required during the application process. Section 8. Biometrics and interviews, providing essential information. After submitting your application, you will likely be required to attend a biometrics appointment. This appointment involves providing your fingerprints and a photograph. The purpose is to verify your identity. In some cases, the Norwegian authorities may request an interview. This interview helps assess your qualifications and intentions for working in Norway. Prepare for the interview by reviewing your application and practicing your answers to potential questions. Section 9. The waiting game, tracking your visa application. The processing time for a Norwegian skilled worker. Visa can vary. It typically takes several weeks or even a few months. During this waiting period, you can track the status of your application online. Use the application tracking tool on the UDI website. While you wait, Ensure your contact information is up to date. Be ready to provide additional documentation. The Norwegian authorities may request further information during the processing period. Section 10. Settling in registration upon arrival. Congratulations, you've received your Norwegian skilled worker visa. Now it's time to settle into your new life in Norway. Upon arrival, you must register with the local police within 7 days. This registration is mandatory. You'll need to bring your passport, visa, and proof of accommodation. The police will provide you with a residence permit card. This card serves as proof of your legal residency in Norway. Section 11. Ready for your Norwegian journey? Final tips and encouragement. Embarking on a new adventure in Norway is an exciting experience. A few final tips will make your transition smoother. Double-check all your documents before submitting your application. Accuracy and completeness are crucial. Stay updated on the latest visa regulations. Visa requirements can change, so it's essential to stay informed. Most importantly, embrace the Norwegian culture and lifestyle. Learn some basic Norwegian phrases. Be open to new experiences. Welcome to Norway.